In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve the audio quality out of your Bluetooth headset if you're using Linux as your daily driver. I'm using Ubuntu in this tutorial, and I've often had bad audio just kind of like out of the box. If I connect a Bluetooth headset to my Ubuntu desktop, the audio is terrible, and automatically it seems to just be bad. I've been dealing with it forever. What I've found is that there's a pretty useful tool. There's a couple tools and settings that you could change to actually get really good audio out of your headset. So I'm actually going to go to System Settings. And you can see here, my headset is connected. I have a Corsair HS55 headset. And again, like I said, out of the box, audio is terrible. What I've found to be the solution is to make sure you can see here that these are the ones that are selected by default. And these are actually the poor audio configuration profiles. The configuration profile that you want to use for your device is going to be the High Fidelity Playback A2DP, SBC, and then the XQ is going to be extreme quality. I have read where some headsets can't handle, at least at some distances, the XQ setting or the configuration profile. So this one sounds just as good in my opinion. You want to make sure that these are selected by default in your volume control. Now, if I go ahead and click on this output device, you can see that my handset is actually showing twice in here, right? So sometimes what happens is, I guess whenever this one connects to the device, it gets this crappy configuration profile, and then you have to go in and kind of change it to the good one. So just make sure, out of the box, I think this is available. However, if it's not, there's a couple of tools that we can install to kind of get better control of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to install Bluetooth Man. Ooh, I think it's Bluetooth Man. Blue Man. There we go. Blue Man. The other one that we're going to install is going to be Pulse Audio Volume Control. So we're going to do sudo apt install VU control. All right, so if we run Bluetooth, Blue Man, we can't do that here. So let's go to apps, and we can see our Pulse Audio Volume Control and Bluetooth Manager. So we can see my headset connected here. And one way that we can make sure that we're getting the right profile is if we right click, and then we could select that profile here, and we could change that, right? So that's one way to make sure that you're getting the correct profile. And the other way, if you don't want to, if you just want to install one tool, we can do Pulse Audio Volume Control. And then you can see here, we have a few more options here. We go to output devices. I don't think it's configuration. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, here in this list, you want to find your headset and you want to select this high fidelity with the SBC codec here as well. So either one of those tools will allow you to select those profiles and configure it, if not available within your default volume controls on Ubuntu. Sometimes the drivers get funky and those options aren't available here out of the box. And you also have to remember, you have to select the correct headset, right? Sometimes it'll default to this bottom one and you'll get the crappy audio drivers. So I hope this was helpful for you. It was a quick and easy fix for me to get good audio out of my Linux device. So I hope it was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.